Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen the knife on the stone. It's very simple. Okay friends, so to sharpen the knife, you need a knife. Which one knife you want to sharpen it up? Then I have a sharpening stone here, and I have a sponge cloth under the stone so the stone can't move around. Then I have a water. I'm going to apply little water on the stone so the stone can give you a proper grip to sharpen the knife. I'm going to apply the water on the stone all around the edge. So now the second step, the knife, you need to sharpen it up. So like I'm going to show you the angle. So the knife, you need to take it this way and bring it this way. So now I'm going to slide the knife on the stone. I'm going to take this side, and when I'm bring it this way. Alright, so let's start. So this is the knife. So look at this. Okay, I'm going to take the stone a little bit this way. So I'm going to get a proper angle. So the knife have to be the T-point, have to be touching to the stone, and you need to be like slanting it up, take it on front. Yeah. The same way backwards as well. This way, backward, front and back. Yeah. Front and back. So when I'm slanting my knife, just front, and same way when I'm bringing it backwards, so like slant, front side slant and back side slant too. Again I'm going to apply a little water more. Again the same process. Here we go guys. Alright friends, my knife is already sharpened. So now I'm going to show you the sharpness of the knife. To sharpen the knife, it's all about how blunt is your knife. So like normally you take like 15 to 20 times to go so upward and backward, but it's all, then check your knife as well. So let's check the sharpness again. Let's try with the apple as well, okay? Friends, I hope you like my video, how to sharpen the knife. If you learn something new, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share. And I'm gonna come up with new tips and tricks on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.